Hello friends, welcome to eKida. Title of the lecture is Capacitance of Three-Phase Double Circuit Lines. So first, this is a three-phase, phase A, phase B and phase C. And for double circuit, this is A dash, B dash and C dash. So distance from A to C dash is D1. Distance from A to B dash, this is D2. Distance from A to A dash, D3. Distance from B to B dash, D4. D4. Distance from A to C, D5. And distance from B to A to B and B to C is equal. This is capital D. So this is section 1. So now section 2nd, this first section is ABC. Now it rotates clockwise. So second section is CAB. So first conductor C, second conductor A, third conductor B. So doubles for double circuit, this is C dash, A dash and B dash. So distance from C to B dash is D1. Distance from C to A dash, D2. Distance from C to C dash, D3. Now distance from A to A dash, D4. Distance from C to B, D5. And C to A is equals to A to B distance. So this is D. So this is section number 2nd. Now third section, again clockwise rotation. So BCA. First conductor B, second conductor C, third conductor A. BCA. So this is B dash, C dash and A dash. So now again distance from B to A, D1, B to A dash, D1, B to C dash, D2, B to B dash, D3. And distance from C to C dash, D4, distance from B to A, D5 and distance B to C is equals to C to A. This is equals to D. So this is section 3, BCA. Now see for section 1, D1 is equals to distance A to C dash, D2 is equals to distance A to B dash, D3 is equals to distance A to A dash, D4 is equals to distance B to B dash, D5 is equals to distance A to C and DAB is equals to DBC. This is equals to distance D. For section 1. Now for section 2nd, D1 is equals to distance C to B dash, D2 is equals to distance C to A dash, D3 is equals to distance C to C dash, D4 is equals to distance A to A dash, D5 is equals to distance C to B and distance from C to A is equals to distance from A to B. This is equals to D. Similarly for section 3, so D1 is equals to distance B to A dash, D2 is equals to distance B to C dash, D3 is equals to distance B to B dash, D4 is equals to distance C to C dash, D5 is equals to distance B to A and distance from B to C is equals to distance from C to A. This is equals to distance D. So each phase conductor is transposed within its group. The effect of ground and shield wire are considered to negligible because it is a double circuit line. So in this case, per phase equivalent capacitance to neutral is Ca to N. This is equals to 0.0242 upon log D equivalent by ds microfarad per kilometer. Suppose this is equation number 1. So we have to find the D equivalent in ds, where you know D equivalent is equals to DAB into DBC into DCA to the power 1 by 3. Earlier we have seen this. So suppose this is equation number 2 and ds is equals to dsa into dsb into dsc to the power 1 by 3. Suppose this is equation number 3. So first calculate D equivalent. So for D equivalent calculate DAB, DBC and DCA. So first distance from A to B. This is equals to, so distance from A to B, this is equals to distance A to B into DA to B dash into DA dash B dash into DA dash B to the power 1 by 4. Now put the value for DAB, DA to B dash, DA dash B dash and distance from A dash to B. So distance from A to B is equals to this capital D. Second, from distance A to B dash is D2. So D into D2 into distance A dash B dash. See, distance from A dash to B dash and B dash to C dash is same. This distance is also D. This distance is D. So distance from A dash B dash is capital D and distance from A dash to B is equals to, from A dash to B, this is equals to D2, because this distance and this distance is same. So this is also equals to D2. So capital D into D2 into capital D into D2 into capital D into D2 to the power 1 by 4. So this is equals to D square D2 square to the power 1 by 4. So this is equals to D into D2 to the power 1 by 2. Now similarly find the distance from B to C. So this is equals to distance from B to C into distance from B to C dash into distance from B dash to C dash into distance from B dash to C to the power 1 by 4. So distance from B to C dash, distance from, for section 1, distance from B to C is capital D, distance from B to C dash, see this distance from B to C dash, this distance is same like distance from A to B, so this is D2 only, and distance from B dash to C dash is capital D and this capital D, and distance from B dash to C and B to C dash, this B to C dash is same, this distance is D2. So again capital D into small d2 into capital D into small d2. So put the value, this is capital D distance from B to C dash D2, B dash to C D and B dash to C is D2 to the power 1 by 4. I hope you understand this. If not, please see this once again. Distance, we need distance from B to C dash, B dash, C dash and B dash to C. So distance from B to C, this we know for section 1, distance from B to C is D. Now distance from B to C dash, this is equals to, see we need distance from B to C dash. So this is B and this is C dash. So this distance is D2 and then B dash to C, this is we know B dash, this is capital D, distance from B dash to C dash is capital D, this is G2 and we need distance from B dash to C. So from B dash to C, this is equals, this distance and this distance is same, so this is equals to D2. So put the value. After putting value, we get this is equals to d square into d2 square to the power 1 by 4. So this is equals to d into d2 to the power 1 by 2. Now distance a to b is equals to b to c, but distance from c to a is different. So this is equals to distance from c to a, distance from c to a dash into distance from c dash a dash into distance from c dash to a to the power 1 by 4. Now TC distance from C to A dash, C dash A dash and C dash A. So distance from C to A for section 1, this is equals to distance from C to A is D5. So D5 into now distance from C to A dash. Distance from C to A dash is same again D5 because this distance and this distance is same. So first distance from A to C. Distance from A to C is D5. Next second distance from C to A dash. This is C and this is A dash. So distance from C to A dash. This distance and this distance is same. So this is also D1. So distance from C to A dash is equals to D1. Now distance C dash A dash. See this distance from A to C D5 and this distance from C to C dash to A dash is same. Means in this is also D5 into distance from C dash A. So this is C dash and this is A. So this is D1. So D1, D5 into D1 into D5 into D1. So distance from C to A, D5 into distance from C to A dash. This distance from C to A dash, D1 into distance from C dash A dash, D5 and distance from C dash to A. Distance from C dash to A is equals to D1. D1 to the power 1 by 4. So this is equals to D5 square into D1 square to the power 1 by 4, or we can write this as D5 into D1 to the power 1 by 2. Now put the value in equation number 2. So D equivalent is equals to DAB means DD2 to the power 1 by 2 into DBC. This is equals to DAB. So this is equals to again DD2 to the power 1 by 2 into DCA. This is D5 into D1 to the power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 3. So this on simplifying this we get D to the power 1 by 3 into D to the power 1 by 3 into D1 to the power 1 by 6 into D5 to the power 1 by 6. So this is equation number 4. Now calculate DS. So DS is equals to DSA into DSB into DSC. So DSA is equals to, so self geometrical mean distance for conductor A. So for conductor A to A, it is for section 1. For conductor A to A, it is R into for conductor A to A dash is equals to D3. So R into D3 to the power 1 by 2. R into D3 to the power 1 by 2. Now for DSB, this is equals to self GMD for B conductor. This is R and distance from B to B dash for section 1 is D4. This distance from B to B dash is D4. D4 to the power 1 by 2. Now distance from self GMD for conductor C. So for conductor C it is R and for C to C dash this is equals to A to A dash is 3 and this distance is also same. A to A dash and C to C dash distance is same. So this is D3. So R into D3 to the power 1 by 2. Now put these values in equation number 3. So DS is equals to DSA into DSB into DSC to the power 1 by 3. So this is equals to RD3 to the power 1 by 2, RD4 to the power 1 by 2, RD3 to the power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 3. So this is on simplifying, we get this equation equals to R to the power 1 by 2 because 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, r cube into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So this is equals to r to the power 1 by 2. Now d3 to the power 1 by 3 into d4 to the power 1 by 6. Because d4 is single, so d4 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by 6. And d3, this d3, this d3. So d3, so 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. So 2 cancel out, means 1 by 3. So suppose this is equation number 5. Now put equation 4 and 5 in equation number 1. So CAN is equals to 0.0242 upon log D equivalent by DS. So D equivalent is equals to D1 by 3, D2 1 by 3, D1 by 3, D2 1 by 3 into D1 1 by 6, D5 1 by 6, D1 1 by 6 into D5 1 by 6 upon ds. So this is r 1 by 2 into d3 to the power 1 by 3 into d4 to the power 1 by 6 microfarad per kilometer. So this is the per phase equivalent capacitance to neutral 1 for section 1. See, D equivalent and DS will remain same for section 2nd and section 3rd because of the transposition cycle. So, I'll write this note that D equivalent and DS will remain same for section 2nd and section 3rd and section 3rd of transposition cycle. Thank you.